Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we're going to go over 3 of my favorite and probably the best Linux desktop environments there are out there. Let's get into it. Number 1 is XFCE. While being a fast and stable desktop environment, it may not have the best look or customization options, but it looks like a standard desktop environment and it is really quick and speedy. It gets the job done all the time, so that's just why I love XFCE. You can always rely on it to do what you need to do. Number 2 is a slightly less popular one, AlexQT. It is based off the LXDE desktop environment, which is really light, but which is a better look, kind of closer to KDE, using the Qt environment instead of the whatever LXDE uses. And it's basically a lightweight version. It's a lightweight mix of LXDE and KDE. Really fast and stable, and a nice desktop environment layout, so I really like that one. And one probably most of you out there like a lot, the great KDE. KDE is a highly sophisticated desktop environment. It looks really high-tech. Well, okay, in this video I'm talking about the Slackware version of KDE, whichever version Slackware has, because the Slackware 14.2 came out just a while back, and the newer version of KDE is really buggy and the layout's a little worse, but the Slackware version is really nice, so yeah. It looks really high-tech, runs really quickly, and almost no bugs, so that's a really good desktop environment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you don't miss out on my future videos. We'll see you next time.